Have you ever felt torn between two voices in your head when it comes to money? One voice is saying, save every penny, there's never enough, don't give anyone out of your money, it's just so little. And then the other one says, invest in your future, you can build more. It's like there is that constant battle inside us, knowing when to spend, when to save. And that's exactly what today's story is about, the two wolves, and how this powerful parable relates to our personal finances and building wealth. So stay with me. An old Cherokee tells his grandson about a battle happening inside every person. He says, there are two wolves inside of us. One wolf represents fear, greed, scarcity, insecurity. It tells you there is never enough, and it makes you hoard or avoid taking risks. The other wolf represents abundance, confidence, patience, and growth. It reminds you that with effort and discipline, you can create more than enough and build a life of freedom, a life that you truly want, a life that you'll be proud of. And then the grandson asks, which wolf wins? Basically, which wolf wins the battle all the time? The old man replies, the one you feed. So now let's connect this story to personal finance. These two wolves show up in the way we think and behave with money every single day. The scarcity wolf whispers, you will never have enough, don't spend everything, don't spend anything, don't invest, it's too risky. And this wolf feeds on fear and it keeps you stuck. You're basically not taking any decision. And sometimes it makes you spend impulsively, focusing on short-term pleasure, and it is often driven by the fear of missing out. Whether it is splurging on the things that you don't need or racking up debts to keep up with the Joneses. And then the abundance wolf, on the other hand, reminds you money is a tool. Use it wisely. Invest in your future and watch it grow. This wolf feeds on confidence, belief in growth. This is a wealth building wolf. It tells you to invest, it tells you to save, it tells you to plan. It focuses on delayed gratification, staying disciplined and making consistent decisions that leads to financial growth over time. The question is, which one are you feeding? Every time you give in to financial fear or impulsiveness, you are feeding the fearful wolf. And I'll give you some examples. Impulse purchases, when you buy something because it's on sales or because everyone has it. The second one, living above your means. You're basically using debts to fund a lifestyle that you cannot afford. Another one is if you are constantly avoiding money conversations, you're ignoring budgeting, you're avoiding difficult, financial decisions because they are uncomfortable. The fearful wolf thrives on instant gratification and avoids the hard work of planning for the future. It's why so many people feel stuck financially. If you continuously feed the wrong wolf, it will keep you in a cycle of paycheck to paycheck living, like you're on that cycle which never stops. On the other hand, every smart financial choice you make feeds the wealth building wolf. This wolf grows when you save consistently, and it doesn't matter the amount. Every small amount over time can create that safety net and peace of mind for you. You feed the abundance wolf if you invest wisely, whether it's in stock market or in property or in yourself, in your education, or investing to build your future. And then staying disciplined, sticking to a budget and resisting the urge to splurge shows that you're in control of your money, you're in control of your finances. Then learning continuously, feeding your mind with financial knowledge, all this strengthens this wolf. The wealth building wolf thrives on discipline. It thrives on patience. It thrives on your ability to see the bigger picture. It's not flashy, it's not immediate. It's the path to true financial freedom. And the truth is, to be honest, every financial decision you make feeds one wolf or the other. So if you're spending impulsively, avoiding responsibility, you're feeding a wolf. If you're building long-term wealth, you're feeding a wolf. And building long-term wealth doesn't mean that you cannot enjoy life. It means you're just intentional about your choices. You're the one deciding where your money goes, and you're the one deciding that your money works for you, not you working for the money. This constant battle, trust me, is in all of us, and the choice is ours. If we want to build wealth, it's not just about numbers, it's about also the mindset. Are you feeding the right wolf? Your financial habits follows whatever you're feeding, whether it's the right one or the wrong one. So be mindful of this. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. And you can also share with me in the comment what's one step you will take today to feed that wealth building wolf. Remember, the future you want starts from the decisions that you make right now. And if you love this video, you will love the video on the story of the Chinese bamboo tree. I'll see you in the next video.